Good morning. This is Wednesday, February the 16th. Today I've got a lot of cleaning to get done. I've got dishes in the dishwasher going, and I've got some pots in the sink that I have to wash. I had a mess cooking last night, and I was too tired to clean it. I normally don't go to bed without my kitchen being clean, but I was so tired last night, I decided to wait and do it today. I was making hamburger helper, cheeseburger mac hamburger helper, and it boiled over onto the stove. So I'm using Mrs. Meyer's Mum Scent, which smells really, really good. And I'm just soaking it down. And I'm going to leave it and let it sit. And I'm going to come back to it. In the meanwhile, I have Max is taking him a nap. And I have my grandson over there watching his video. I got some mopping to get done. I got the counters to get cleaned off. I got clothes washing in the washer. I got to throw them in the dryer. And I'm thinking about making my formal dining room. I think I'm going to turn that into my office so I don't have to keep climbing the stairs. So that might be something that I work on today too, or I might just wait until this weekend. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is the start to my day, and I just wanted to let you know what I was up to. I got more videos coming soon. Have a great day.